little Lamborghini, what's a cop car? Pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real little rock star? This ain't no guitar, bitch, it's a Glock. My Glock told me to promise you gon' squeeze me. You better let me go the day you need me. Soon as you up me on that hitter, get to bustin'. And if I ain't enough, go get the chop. I keep a Glocky when I'm riding that Suburban, cause the codeine had a young hitter swerving. I got the mop, watch me wash them like detergent. And I'm ballin', that's why it's diamonds on me. Slide on offside and flip the block back, yeah, yeah. Junior popped him and left him lopsided, yeah. We spin his block, got the rebound and it's Rodman. You fool me one time, can't cross me again. 1200 horsepower, I get lost in the wind. If he talking on the yard, the pen dogs will take his chin. Maybach SUVs for my refugees. Buy blocks in the hood, put money in the streets, oh yeah. I've been with these girls, popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a Rasta. Messing with me, call up on a Uzi and show up in them shot toss. So when my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you thug passion. It's a thriller in a track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? Yeah. I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide. Left foot up, right foot slide.